Manipur lengakna maitai singbu kuki taba mafam singda apan bapidana chathok chasin tauhannaba lokhalakpa khongthang bu yaningdaba phongdoktuna CoTU women wing makhada kuki jogi nupi singna kangpokpi district ke manung chanba gamgi faida khongjang changsinkhrhe khongjang aduda saruk yakiba CoTU women wing gi convener naisi gitena haikibada furup ani ki marakta yanaba ma puraktringai mamangda maitai gi meira paibi sing lining laishol ga mari lenana kuki taba mafam singda chathannaba hodariba lengak ki thong asi marab chade kuki singna thengnariba awaba madi khudong chadaba sing asi fawba center na tabidri hairaduna Manipur gi rang asi ki tum koibo waro shinama purakna bhonariba Manipur gi governor Ajay Kumar Bhala busu thabak tawboda michang mikhai nai haiduna yaningdaba phongdorakli nakalamaromda mafamadomda hauzik oirakli ba law and order gi fibam yenglaga lengakna central force sing thazin ba hokre haire
to protest the initiatives taken up by the government to free movement. This is what we have strongly opposed because we are not having any peace negotiation towards the grievances of the KHONGJANG people till today. Almost 2 years have been in the process, but no heard of our cries or grievances. Therefore, we strongly oppose the initiatives taken up by the government, as well as the state governor, who is taking a biased feeling towards the in favor of the Manipuri community in particular. This we strongly oppose. And above all, our demand for a separate administration stands resolute until or unless justice has been served to the KHONGJANG people. Justice has been served to the KHONGJANG people. We oppose free movement! We oppose free movement!